Hey guys, welcome back. This is the day um, 20 where we are practicing my English and communication skill for the next 200 days straight. So, our today's topic is the lesson life taught me in the hard way. So, the basic meaning of this sentence is that the one lesson that I learned in the hard way while living life. Before moving to this topic, I would like to tell you some other information that some other experience that I faced right before shooting this video. So, actually, as I told you yesterday and in the before day, yesterday's before day, that in the from the next few days I'm not feeling in the way that I'm improving the English, or either I'm just speaking front of camera. But and so for the solution of this question, for the solution of this problem, put I pasted all of my problem in ChatGPT, and I ask him, and I ask her that how long it will take me to become fluent in English. And the ChatGPT was told me that you have to practice English every day for around 10 to 20 minutes, and for the 4 to 5 months. So it is around 150 days, and I took this challenge. Also, I don't stop creating videos in this channel, but also uh, while while shooting these videos, uh, I do another practice on ChatGPT. So the main benefit I will get from ChatGPT practice on ChatGPT, that whenever the firstly the ChatGPT give me a answer, give me a question, I will answer the question, and while speaking, and ChatGPT will again give me the improved version of the thing that I was just spoken, and in that way, I think I will learn English much faster and much deeper. So yeah, that's it, and that's the thing that I wanted to mention. And let's dive into the topic. So the lesson life taught me in the hard way. So before finding the direct conclusion of this question, I would like to tell you a story of behavior of mine that I used to in I was used to in myself. So, um, from very childhood, from very young age, not young age, it's a childhood. From the childhood, I have been kind of the person who is easily trust on the other person, and who are just rush to help others. And after the my father had gone from my life, I had learned the thing that no one is yours. Like right now, if I'm talking about my heart thing, that only my family, in my family, my mother and my sisters are just thinking good about me, and the other people, my aunts and my aunties, are just my aunt, my uncles, and all of the peoples are don't want that I should do something bigger in my life, and I should uh, be more powerful, more intelligent in my life, because they are just looking good for their child. And this is the harsh reality that I learned while living a life, and while facing lots of experiences. And another thing I want to tell you, that I was just not experience this thing once in a life, but I was experienced this thing multiple times in the past and in the last 3 to 4 months also. Like, and another thing I want to tell you that when you have money, lots of multiple peoples will help you, multiple peoples will support you. But when you do not have money, when you do not have power, no one will going to ask you anything, that either you are eaten any food or not. And that's the thing that I learned, and just because of that I want to earn lots of money in my life, and just not money, but I want to grow as a spiritual person. I want to help other peoples who are in the current stage in the life where I was in. And the third thing I want to do in my life is I don't want to behave with anyone in the angry nature and in the cruel nature. I think you have understanding my point. You are understanding my point. So that's the thing I want to tell you. And yeah, some of the other things I have learned in the last some of the time, that many people was told me that when you have a money, when you have a power, your words are automatically get valuable. Like, if you are most intelligent person in your whole relatives, in your whole family, but if you are really poor, if you are unemployed, so no one will going to hear you, and no one will going to give their attention to you. But if you are pretty much good at financial point, and if you are pretty much good at power, pretty much good at power, so definitely people will hear you, even if you are saying stuff from your mouth. And I just want to give you a one advice, that just focus on building yourself, just focus on learning multiple skills. And this is the time, if you are in the age of between 50 to 15 to 25, so you should definitely do these three things. First, you have to take care of your family and your health. The second thing, uh, you will have to explore as many things as possible, multiple things. And also you have to learn as many skills as you can learn. And the third thing I want to tell you is, on lakhs or crores of rupees, and it's not the process that you can do in the one day, in the 1 year. But money making and building yourself is take around 3 to 4 years. And I was in that loop, that it all takes only 1 year. But no, it's not. It's I think the people are mislead us when they are just show up their wealth front of us, and they see that I had earned $1 million in the last 3 months. But we don't know about their background. We don't know how much uh, how much they had value, how much they have knowledge before they started making money, like this $1 million particular. And how much with how much amount of knowledge, and with how much amount of value they had on a $1 million. So that's it. I just want to tell you these things. So we will meet tomorrow with new topic and with new experience. Bye bye. Jai Siya Ram.